How to fix Messenger stories not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix Messenger stories not showing. So let's get started. First, as you have to check your internet connection, you can try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, restart the Messenger app. If you not solve it, simply update the Messenger. Look for the update on App Store or Play Store. After you open App Store, in the source field, search for Messenger. After you find the Messenger, if you find any update, simply tap on Update. After you update latest version of Messenger, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you need to clear the cache of Messenger. For that, open up Settings. From Settings, tap on General. Now from here, tap on iPhone Storage. From here, you'll have to scroll down and find out the application Messenger. After you find it, tap on that. From here, tap on Upload. Alright, tap on Upload. After you upload it, simply tap on Reinstall app. After you reinstall and clear the cache of Messenger, you'll have to just re-log into your account. After that, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, at last, simply you can delete and reinstall the app. After that, you will be able to fix that problem. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.